Hi guys, in front of me is Navitel T787 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first you have to open your phone dealer and click on keypad. Once you're on keypad, we can start. So the first code that I want to share with you today is *##. 4636 ###. And here we've got the testing mode in which you can check tablet information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi details. Smoothly tap on the particular info that you want to reach, and you will have everything in front of you. And that's it. So let's go back. And another code that I want to share with you today, it's a bit shorter. It is *##, 426 *##. And here we've got the FCM diagnostics in which you can check events and status. If you wish to explore it a bit more, actually there is no service, you'll have more info. However, if you have your SIM card included and so on, there will be way more details. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here is *##, *##, 225, *##. And here we've got the calendar info. So all events included in every calendar that you have connected with this device would be displayed right here. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event. And the last one is *## 06#. And here you've got your MA number and serial number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.